Trigger warning. This is a real life experience of someone who has undergone khatna or female genital cutting. Some people may find this account disturbing.
It's been almost 12 years since I first found out that, as per the World Health Organization, female genital cutting is internationally recognized as a violation against women. And since then, I've been trying to ask my parents why they did what they did to me, and do they even feel guilty about it? Do they understand the impact it has on girls or the pain that they put their daughter through? It is hard to talk about the damage that this predated practice does to the female anatomy. Their questions are always, why? How are you affected? I used to freeze because for an unmarried girl, just talking about sexual pleasure is blasphemy. Then recently, in the middle of the pandemic, I was told about the Mumkin app, an exciting opportunity for me to engage in conversations on female genital cutting. It was also a chance for me to use my retail experience to promote the app, get other Bora women who are against this ritual to try it and get their feedback about it. Many of us get really emotional and angry with our mothers whenever it comes to discussing this practice. This app makes difficult conversations possible by initiating a sort of mock dialogue between you and your loved one. It has a whole range of these back and forth exchanges between you and the AI bot who plays your loved one for you. It has options for conversing in a soft, aggressive, or diplomatic way, depending on what kind of conversation you actually have with a supporter of female genital cutting. In my case, when I tried the app, I felt the mother was very soft and diplomatic, and even for me, the user, the options weren't as aggressive as they should be. Because in all honesty, my mom and I were just brutal towards each other whenever it came to this discussion. She had become an expert in avoiding this topic, and mostly made me look like the fool. It was more like, yeah, so it was a tradition done a long time ago for all the girls in this community. If you want to discontinue it in the next generation, you please go ahead. Really? Don't you want to know the consequences? The impact it has on girls if and when the procedure goes wrong? Don't you want to know why I am so angry with this disinterested attitude of yours? How is it okay for anyone to take away my 8,000 nerve endings and my right to enjoy sex? I have finally found a different way to communicate better. With my father. The Mumkin app suggested sharing articles and videos about female genital cutting with your parents, and I felt it was a better approach. So I sent some articles in Gujarati to my father, and he actually read them. We finally sat down and spoke about it. He was ready to listen, and that's huge. My father is 4 decades older than me, so you can only imagine how tough it is for him to discuss the female genital anatomy with his daughter. For him, it was more like a thing in Islam, so I guess he was just ignorant, like many others. Also, I think he felt it's a decision made by the women in the family, so maybe he felt it wasn't his call. We had a healthy discussion wherein I actually drew a vulva, a clitoris, a clitoral hood with arrows, explaining to him that the tip of the clitoris has 8,000 nerve endings. And it seemed absolutely normal to do this. Finally, talking like civilized adults. I explained to him that as the midwife is peeling the hood, even the flesh of the clit is partially snipped. To which he replied, "This is jahalat. Ignorance." Praise Allah, it was music to my ears. I've been struggling to explain this to my parents for years now, and finally they were speaking my language. And so, the conflict ended with them admitting that if they had someone to explain this procedure to them in so much detail, they would surely have avoided this practice. Change takes time, and I know this practice will end someday. So I would encourage each and every Bora Mumin who is confused or struggling to talk about this with their parents to download this app. It's a new perspective that I wasn't aware of before.